Good morrow, it's Wednesday, and I'm back with another video, and today I have some homemade soup. It has chicken, zucchini, beans, tomatoes. I added some cheese and a couple other seasonings. And then I also have a nice big piece of crusty sourdough bread. Yum. And some green tea to drink. I was going to do black tea, but I didn't want a ton of caffeine. So it's like 5 p.m. The soup's okay. It's super healthy and like honestly a little bit bland. I didn't make it. But I'm grateful for it for what it is. But how are you guys doing today? What are your weekend plans? I don't really have any. Hang out with the dude, play video games, ride my bike. Do some workouts. Hopefully make a couple videos. Hopefully soon. I'll be working over the weekends. I've been putting in applications, but so far I've heard from people, but they've been jobs that are far away, which is my fault. I get super like, ooh, I can work wherever, and then I realize it's too far. Or it would just make life 100 times harder. I'm trying to work at a place that doesn't have alcohol for like obvious reasons. On top of, if I'm a server, I loathe bar menus. So I'm waiting to hear back from a place. I applied for a job today that's different from what I usually do. Like way different. I'm not gonna like go into what it is just in case I get hired. One thing I don't want to do is like really mention my workplaces. You know, just because oh man. Even though I love my channel and you guys, I don't want to get fired over YouTube. Mm-mm. It's bad if the Clubhouse knows I film videos. But I forgot to tell you guys this. When I was walking back to my house to get the microphone to film down by the lake, Mastiff dude drove by while Jack was setting up the camera. Yes, sir. I talk massive shit about you on my channel. So, right now it's basically like we get one win. And then several, oops, not losses, but just like detours, and you have to maneuver differently. Or pointed in the wrong direction. And that's how life goes. That's like a problem with us, like humans in general, is we just think everything should go our way. And that's not the way it is, you know? I did my makeup today, and like, I haven't had much luck with it because I rarely do it anymore. Okay, first topic, because I tend to jump around. We catastrophize, whatever that word is. Excuse me. When like a bunch of bad things happen to us, but like, we pay attention. Terrible shit happens to people literally all the time. So I've been doing my best not to like take offense to life and how life is. Moving on to the subject of makeup. I've been wearing a lot of makeup lately, and it's not even because I'm against it. I've been too lazy to. And it's been part of my whole, I'm moving away from societal standards and all that garbage. Not having pride in like how I look and stuff, but like I feel like you don't have to wear makeup in order to look good. That's just how I feel about it. Yeah, just trucking on. But let me know what you guys have planned for this weekend. even if it's just hanging out at home with your family and for babies. Goodness. No, you have a microphone on. But, hold on. Okay, I'm better now. I was like, nope. I was going to stop filming for a second, but I do want one more bite of the soup. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Chat with me in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.